Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you're an employer or HR professional, you may be asked to provide an employer reference letter for an employee applying for a UK visa. This document is crucial as it verifies the applicant's employment details and supports their visa application. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through writing a strong employer reference letter for a UK visa, ensuring it includes all necessary details in a professional and structured format. We'll go step by step, following the exact order of elements from the letter template. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to write an effective letter that meets UK visas and immigration or UKVI requirements. Let's get started. Employer's information. The letter should start with the employer's official details. This section ensures that UKVI can verify the legitimacy of the company providing the reference. Example, company name. Company address, city, postal code, email address. Phone number. Make sure all details are accurate and up to date. The company address should match official business records, and the email and phone number should be valid in case UKVI needs to contact the employer for further clarification. Date. Next, include the date when the letter is written. Example, date, day, month, year. The date is important for verification purposes, as UKVI needs to confirm that the letter is recent and relevant to the applicant's visa process. Be sure to format the date properly, following the day, month, year style, such as 15th March 2024. Recipient's information. The letter should be addressed to UK Visas and Immigration, or UKVI, the department responsible for processing visa applications. Example, UK Visas and Immigration, Home Office, relevant UKVI address. United Kingdom. Since different UKVI offices handle specific types of visa applications, ensure you use the correct address for the applicant's visa category. If you're unsure, check the UK government's official website for the most up-to-date information. Subject line. The subject line should clearly state the purpose of the letter. Example, subject, employment reference letter for employee's full name. This makes it immediately clear that the letter is an employment reference for a visa application. Including the employee's full name helps UKVI quickly identify the applicant's file. Salutation. Begin your letter with a general and professional greeting. Example, to whom it may concern, since the letter is being sent to an official department rather than a specific person, to whom it may concern is the most appropriate greeting. This ensures that any UKVI officer reviewing the application can understand its purpose. Opening paragraph. Confirming employment. The first paragraph should clearly state the purpose of the letter and confirm the employee's current employment details. Example, I am writing to confirm that employee's full name has been employed at company name since start date in the position of job title. Our company is a registered business operating in industry and is committed to maintaining compliance with UK employment regulations. This paragraph is crucial because it establishes the employee's official connection to the company. Make sure to include the employee's full name, their start date, their job title, the company's industry. Stating that your company is compliant with UK employment regulations reassures UKVI that the business follows legal employment practices. Employment details. Providing key information. Next, you'll need to provide specific employment details in a clear, structured format. This section outlines the employee's work status and role within the company. Example, employee name, employee's full name. Job title, employee's position. Employment type, full-time or part-time or contractual. Start date, DD/MM/YYIYY. Current salary, annual or monthly salary in GBP. Job responsibilities, briefly describe key duties and responsibilities. Each detail serves an important purpose. Employment type, whether the employee is full-time, part-time, or on a contract, helps UKVI assess job stability. Start date confirms the duration of employment, which may be relevant to the visa requirements. Salary, providing the salary amount in GBP, ensures transparency regarding the employee's income. Job responsibilities, a brief description of the employee's role helps UKVI understand their professional background. For example, if the employee is a software engineer, you might describe their responsibilities as developing and maintaining software applications, troubleshooting technical issues, and collaborating with cross-functional teams to enhance system performance. Avoid vague descriptions. UKVI prefers concise but clear details. Highlighting the employee's contribution. This paragraph emphasizes the employee's value to the company, which can strengthen their visa application. Example: employee's full name has been an integral part of our team, demonstrating professionalism, reliability, and expertise in their role. They have consistently met performance expectations and contributed positively to our organization. This section is important because UKVI considers an applicant's employment stability when processing visas. Highlighting the employee's reliability and performance reassures UKVI that they are a valuable professional. If the employee has made notable contributions, such as leading a project, training new employees, or increasing efficiency, you can briefly mention it here. Purpose of the letter: supporting the visa application. This sentence clarifies why the letter is being provided. Example: this letter is issued upon employee's full name's request to support their UK visa application. Should you require any further information, please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address. This is crucial because it directly connects the letter to the visa process. It also provides UKVI with a way to contact the employer if they need verification or additional details. Make sure the phone number and email address provided are valid and monitored regularly. Closing statement. A professional closing reinforces the employer's cooperation with UKVI. Example: we appreciate your time and consideration. This keeps the letter polite and respectful, making a positive impression on UKVI. Sign-off. Example: sincerely your full name, your job title, company name. A formal closing with the sender's full name and job title adds credibility to the letter. UKVI may verify the sender's identity, so it's important that the signatory holds an appropriate position, such as HR manager, director, or employer. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to write a professional employer reference letter for a UK visa. This letter is a crucial supporting document, so it's important to include all necessary details clearly and accurately. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Practices, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I hope this guide helps you with your reference letters, and I'll see you in the next video.